Hi. In this video, we will quickly tell you about Mixo Features. Have an idea for a startup, product, or service? Our AI-powered builder helps entrepreneurs quickly launch and validate their business ideas. The value of this platform is unbeatable. It's an all-in-one solution. The platform is packed with features that will help you grow and launch. Mixo's platform features an AI-powered website builder. You'll also have full access to the platform's designer features. You can upgrade or change the plans that you're currently using. A 30-day money-back policy is also available. For a month, try it out and see if it works for you. You'll also be able to access the community through our Discord channel. Big numbers. A few reasons why entrepreneurs, creators, and our awesome partners love Mixo. 100K creators. 500K ideas generated. 100K sites launched. 450K subscribers. Trusted by over 100,000 of the most innovative creators in the world. Mixo is the trusted, easy-to-use platform chosen by everyone from solo entrepreneurs to employees at Fortune 500 companies for its reliability, quality, and cutting-edge features. Choose a plan. Basic, $7 a month. Growth Site, $15 a month. Pro, $29 a month. Thank you. I hope that information helps. If you would like to learn more about that software for your business, please click on the link in the description of this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you, and have a great day. Bye.